Hello, little birdie.
It's so awesome.
Are you videotaping this? He's our pet. We'll feed him for the weekend.
Dude, he just wants a cracker. It's Grease Lightning, that'll be his name.
Grease. This kind of dumbass. That could be his name. Did you like my excellent dual show?
I didn't think he was gonna fucking get trapped. I thought he was gonna get out. What are you doing, buddy? You peck me and you're gonna die. Come here, buddy.
Is that video going on Facebook?
Yeah, it's video.
Hello, birdie. Come get a cracker, you fuck. Birdie. Did you get me closing the door on it?
No, I should have started videotaping him. Dude, you pecked my fucking toes and you're dead. Drop a piece down. Grab him and we'll let him loose in the hallway.
I'm going to eat shit on it. Gig ass. Are you still videotaping this?
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, he just got this shit out of his finger.
Dude, we ought to let his ass loose in the hallway.
Those people.
I wonder what he's gonna do when the food's all gone. Don't be so hostile, bird. He ain't gonna hurt you.
Birdie. Is that like kick ass?
Dude, that's awesome. We gotta come up with a cooler name for him.
Grease Lightning.
Dude, if you can get that fucker to sit up on the perch of the bed and you can pet him, that's badass.